Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix T-Mobile home internet error codes WAN002, WAN005, CEL002 step-by-step fixes. WAN002 connection registration failure. This code indicates your gateway is failing to register or grab an IP address from T-Mobile's wide area network. Power cycle the gateway. Unplug the power cable from the back of the device, wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Reseat the SIM card. Turn off the device, unplug the gateway's power cable, locate the SIM card slot, usually on the bottom or back panel, then pop out the SIM card, wipe it clean with a dry cloth, and insert it firmly until it clicks. Move to a window. Move the gateway to an elevated location next to a window to help it receive the initial activation signal. Next, check for firmware updates. Open the T-Life app on your mobile device, select the Internet tab or navigate to account, then go to Services and go to Home Internet and select your active gateway device. Scroll down to view the firmware version details. Second, WAN005, authentication failure or overheating. This code represents a secure handshake failure with T-Mobile servers, which is frequently triggered by extreme thermal throttling. Cool down the gateway. Unplug the device immediately and move it out of direct sunlight. Let it sit powered down for at least 30 minutes. Improve airflow. Elevate the device or place a small USB cooling fan underneath it to maintain stable operating temperatures. Verify signal strength. Open your T-Life app to verify that your RSRP signal is better than 90 dBm. As severe signal loss, drop secure authentication. Open the T-Life app on your phone, select the Connect or Internet tab from the main screen, then tap on More, then go to Advanced Cellular Metrics. Now review your RSRP signal strength and SINR signal clarity and RSRP value closer to 80 dBm indicates an excellent strong connection. Third, CEL002, cellular registration failure. This means your gateway cannot establish a connection with the local cellular tower due to account provisioning or regional tower issues. Trigger a factory reset. Locate the small reset pin hole on the back or bottom of the gateway. Use a paperclip to press and hold it down for 15 to 30 seconds until the screen reboots. Next, reconfigure your Wi-Fi network name using the credentials printed on the device label. Use app diagnostics. Open the built-in diagnostic tool inside the T-Life app to detect SIM or network registration errors in real time. What to do if the error persists? If these steps do not clear the error, it indicates either an unprovisioned SIM card, local tower outage, or permanent internal hardware damage. Skip calling standard customer support line and reach out to T-Force, T-Mobile specialized tech tier via direct message on Facebook or X, formerly Twitter. They can quickly reprovision your SIM card profile or issue a free gateway replacement. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.